Hamilton Beach Electric Egg Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Electric Egg Cooker is the ultimate tool for perfectly cooked eggs. With its compact design, it boils up to 7 eggs or poaches 3 eggs simultaneously, saving time and effort. Its simple one-touch operation ensures consistent results every time. The built-in timer with an audible alert prevents overcooking, making it hassle-free. The included measuring cup helps achieve the desired egg texture from soft to hard-boiled. Easy to clean, its non-stick poaching tray and dishwasher-safe parts add convenience. Compact enough to store in small spaces, it's perfect for any kitchen. Ideal for breakfast, snacks, or meal prepping, it's a time-saving solution for busy mornings. Stylish and efficient, it complements any countertop. Enjoy versatility and reliability with this handy kitchen gadget. Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is the ultimate kitchen tool for effortless meal prep. This all-in-one chopper includes interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, dicing, and spiralizing vegetables with ease. The compact, BPA-free design ensures safe and efficient use, while the non-slip base provides stability during operation. It's perfect for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more, saving time and reducing mess. The clear storage container catches chopped ingredients, keeping your countertop tidy. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it simplifies post-cooking cleanup. Whether you're making salads, stir-fries, or zoodles, this versatile chopper has you covered. Lightweight and durable, it's a must-have for busy kitchens. Elevate your cooking game with the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. Amazon Basics Glass Carafe Electric Hot Water Kettle. The Amazon Basics Glass Carafe Electric Hot Water Kettle combines style and functionality for your kitchen. With a 1.7-liter capacity, it quickly heats water for tea, coffee, or cooking needs. The durable borosilicate glass body offers a clear view of the boiling process, while the blue LED indicator adds a modern touch. Featuring a 1,500-watt power base, it ensures rapid boiling in minutes. The cordless design and 360-degree swivel base provide easy handling and pouring. Safety features include auto shutoff and boil-dry protection for peace of mind. A removable filter ensures clean water every time. Compact and lightweight, it fits seamlessly in any kitchen space. Ideal for home or office use. Make every cup effortless with this dependable hot water kettle. Godboat Dish Drying Rack. The Godboat Dish Drying Rack offers a sleek and practical solution for your kitchen. Designed with a compact yet spacious 2-tier system, it provides ample room to organize dishes, bowls, and utensils. Made of durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance. The rack features a detachable water tray that collects drips, keeping your countertops clean and dry. Non-slip feet provide stability, preventing movement during use. Easy to assemble and disassemble, it's perfect for everyday use or small kitchens. Its modern design complements any decor, adding style to functionality. The included utensil holder and cup hooks maximize storage. Lightweight and easy to clean, it's a practical addition to your home. Streamline your dishwashing process with the Godboat Dish Drying Rack. Aroma Housewares Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares 6-Cup Cooked 1.5 Q2 One-Touch Rice Cooker is your perfect kitchen companion for hassle-free cooking. It prepares up to 6 cups of fluffy, perfectly cooked rice with just a single button press. This compact cooker features a one-touch operation, making it simple and convenient to use. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleanup and even cooking every time. It automatically switches to keep warm mode after cooking, keeping your rice ready to serve. The lightweight design is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. Use it for rice, soups, stews, or oatmeal. Comes with a measuring cup and serving spatula, ideal for singles, couples, or small families. Upgrade your meals effortlessly with this reliable rice cooker.